Hi guys, today we're going to learn how to download and install DeepSeek AI Assistant on your phone. First, unlock your phone so you can access all apps and settings smoothly. This step is very simple, but it's important to make sure everything else works without interruption. Once your phone is unlocked, we can easily move to the App Store to find the app. Now let's go ahead and open the App Store. After unlocking, locate, and tap on the App Store icon. The App Store is where we find and safely download official apps like DeepSeek AI Assistant. Honestly, this is the easiest and safest way to get the app without any issues. Once the App Store opens, we're ready to search for the app. At the bottom right, tap on the search icon, then go to the top search bar and type DeepSeek AI's Assistant carefully. As soon as you type it, you'll see the relevant results appear below. Make sure to select the correct app to avoid any confusion. From the search results, tap on the DeepSeek AI Assistant app. This will open the app page where you can see details and the download button. It's always good to check the app icon to make sure it's the official app. Once the app page opens, we're ready to download it. Now tap on the blue download button. The app will start downloading automatically, which usually takes a few minutes depending on your internet. Once downloaded, the app will install itself and you'll be ready to open and use it. That's all. It's simple and fast to get DeepSeek AI Assistant on your phone. And that's how you can easily download and install DeepSeek AI Assistant. Now you can start using it to make your tasks much faster and smarter. If this video helped, don't forget to subscribe and comment below if you want more AI and app tutorials.